how to sell digital products on Amazon. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you on how you will be able to sell digital products through Amazon. Now, unfortunately, there is no way or that feature does not exist in Amazon itself. We cannot upload a digital product and sell it through our Amazon, but we have a way which we will be showing in today's video. Now, basically, the other way that I'm going to be talking about is we will be using another platform instead of Amazon to sell digital products. But we will still be using Amazon as some sort of our advertiser, or we're going to advertise our digital product that we're going to sell on another platform. Now, I'll explain more later on in the video, but the platform that I am talking about that we could use to start selling digital product is called Gumroad. As you can see here, Gumroad is basically a platform dedicated to selling different digital products. It doesn't matter what type of digital products, you are able to sell it in Gumroad. Now, to see what type of products you will be able to see or sell in Gumroad, we can easily navigate to the product section over here and click on New Product. As you can see, in Gumroad, digital product or any set of files to download is something you will be able to sell. You could also select specifically course or tutorial, ebooks, membership, physical goods, bundles, commissions, call, or coffee over here. So there's a lot of different types of products that you will be able to sell. Now, why am I recommending or why are we using Gumroad instead of Amazon? Like I explained at the start of the video, we cannot do that in Amazon. So what do we do with Amazon? We want to use Amazon as our store so that we will be able to get a lot of traffic because of the amount of users in Amazon. You could still technically use Amazon, but what you're going to do is you're going to create you're going to upload your product that you will be able to sell. So for example, let's show you one product over here. The product that you're going to upload is basically you explaining or putting in the title, ebooks, or whatever digital product you're going to add, the photos of the ebooks or the digital product, and all of those things. You're going to put in the price. But after this, or rather, after putting in the price, you would give them a link to Gumroad over here. You could just set the price in the Gumroad for $0 for that specific customer. But you could also have a link just attached to the product page. For example, this is our digital product page. You have your title. You can set the price to 0 for now, and then you're just going to attach in the description the link of your product page in Gumroad. And we could also take advantage of a tool called Linktree, which we will be able to use as our link to allow us to compress or allow us to manage all of our different links. So over here, let's continue in Gumroad. Let's give a simple title for now. So let's say, let's just copy this anyway. Guide to making cats love you. After that, simply click on next and customize. Add your price. Go next and customize. And over here, it's basically going to ask you typical questions like description, your URL, your cover. For the cover, you could create designs from Canva over here. For example, this one, it's asking us for a 1280 by 720. So we could easily click on custom size over here, put in 1280, then 720. Click on create new design. Then after that, we're going to wait for a bit. And then over here, you could simply design whatever you want for your Gumroad over here. Any design that you have created also in Canva, you could use it to upload on your Amazon as well, so that it's the same thing. They are able to see the same thing. So for example, over here, let's just put random things in this for now. It doesn't really matter. I guess, let's say cats, like that. Then we could put stuff for now, random things for now. And then you can simply download this There you go. And then we're going to upload it under our cover for over here. You could do the same thing with the thumbnail. It's just a 1x1 image over here. Here we go. So there's a preview over here on the right side as well, so you could see what is happening or what the product page would currently look like. After that, there's other information that you could add. You could modify the pricing and versions over here. After that, click on Save and Continue. And then we will be able to proceed to the next step. Now, when creating your Amazon page, product page, while waiting for this, what we could do is that, for example, this is our cover page, right? So we could go over here, upload the image of our cover page, click on Edit Image, and there is something called mockups available in Canva that we could utilize over here, as you can see. And then we could simply look for mockups that is related to books or ebooks, so something like this. We could use this, and then basically we could give just a very simple graphics saying the product we're saying, or that implies that our product is a digital product, something like this. And then we could download this and use this as well on our Amazon store, or even here if you want. And then over here, you can simply put in the content of whatever product you're trying to sell. You could put or copy paste anything inside, whether it's a text, or you could even upload a file itself. As you can see here, you could upload images, anything related to digital, you could do any of that. And then after that, you can simply click on Publish and Continue, and you will be able to publish your product. And what it would look like is something similar to this one. Now, like I mentioned earlier, in Linktree, you are able to put together or manage multiple links together. So if you have multiple products, multiple Gumroad products, you could already use Linktree itself to just put it here, so that when they visit your link, they will be able to see all your Gumroad products and not just your specific item over here, as you can see. So this is what it would look like, and people could buy your product by clicking on Buy This. And what we could do with this one is we could copy this, click on Add Link in Linktree. It's free, by the way, so you don't need to worry about that. And that is what we will be able to add over here, and this is what it would look like on the right side. As you can see, this is like a preview of our Linktree. So if they, for example, let me zoom it over here. For example, they selected the link from Amazon, they will see this, and they will be able to find that this is the product that they're trying to buy. They will select it, and they will be redirected to your Gumroad, which they can now purchase from here, and they will be able to receive your digital product without any issue. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.